Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. Is it the screen is visible to all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. In the previous lecture, we've seen that what is the Jacobi's method to solve the first order partial differential equation, and we describe the methods of Jacobi method. Okay. How to solve the partial differential equation of C independent variable x, y, z, and U is the dependent variable on x, y, z, and containing in absence of U. Okay. Look at here. So this is the function. F is the function of x, y, z, and ux, uy, and uz. Okay. So here x, y, z are the dependent variables and independent variables, and dependent variable u does not appear in the equation. Okay. So this type of equation we solve by using Jacobi's method, whose auxiliary equation is given by this one. Wait a minute. Okay. Whose auxiliary equation is given by this equation. Dx upon fux is equal to dy upon fuy is equal to dz upon fuz is equal to dux upon minus fx is equal to duy upon minus fy, which is equal to duz upon minus uz. So this is the auxiliary equation we seen in the previous lecture. Now today we will discuss the examples on this method. Okay, now look at the first example. Solve question. Solve by Jacobi's method. Solve the partial differential equation. Solve the PD by Jacobi's method. Okay, look at here. First, this is the question and example number 1. Z plus 2uz, okay, minus ux plus uy bracket square, which is equal to 0. So this is the partial differential equation, first order partial differential equation, in which x, y, z are the independent variables and u is the dependent variable. Okay, and the equation does not contain the term u. Okay, so give it as an equation number 1. Okay, solution. What is given to us? F of x, y, z, ux, uy, and uz, which is equal to z plus 2uz minus ux plus uy bracket square, which is equal to 0. Okay, give it. This is also this to equation 1. Okay, this is the equation number 1. What is the auxiliary equations are? The auxiliary equations are, what is the auxiliary equation? Dx upon fux, okay, which is equal to dy upon fuy, which is equal to dz upon fuz, which is equal to minus dux upon fx, okay, which is equal to minus duy, which is equal to fy upon fy, which is equal to minus duz upon fz. Okay, so this is the auxiliary equation. Okay, now tell me what is the value of this one, fux, which implies dx upon, what is fux? Differentiate f with respect to ux. What we get? रिप्लाय द्या काहीतरी, बोला. डिफरेंशिएट इक्वेशन 1 विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ux. आवाज ऐकू येतोय का माझा? हॅलो, आवाज ऐकू येतोय का माझा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मग आन्सर देताय का नाही? हो तरी म्हणा, नाही तरी म्हणा. Differentiate f with respect to this equation. Equation 1 with respect to ux. What is the value of f ux?
Minus 2ux, sir, minus 2uy.
Minus 2 into bracket ux plus uy. Okay, which is equal to what is the value of f uy dy upon same minus 2 into ux plus uy. Okay, dz upon differentiate with respect to z now. Uz. What we get?
use it.
1,
2.
2.
2.
2 है ना इथे. Okay,
Sir.
2 which is equal to minus dux. Differentiate with respect to x. What we get? 0. Okay, which is equal to minus dui upon differentiate with respect to now y. What we get? 0
0.
again, which is equal to minus duz upon differentiate with respect to z now. We will get 1. Okay, this is the auxiliary equation. Now consider this one, dux upon 0 minus dux upon 0, which implies that dux is equal to what? 0. Now integrating, we get integrating, we get ux is equal to integration constant a. Okay, so this is the value of ux. Thus, in the theorem, we've seen that h1 is the partial differential equation which is compatible with f. So this is the partial differential equation. Okay, so this is h1 of x, y, z. Wait a minute. X, y, z, ux, uy, uz, and a, which is equal to what? Ux minus a, which is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the equation number 2. Okay, now similarly, now consider this relation now. Minus duy is equal to 0 minus duy upon 0. It implies what? duy is equal to 0. Okay, so integrating, we get uy is equal to now integration constant. Suppose this is b. Okay, so which implies uy minus b is equal to 0. Thus, this is the second partial differential equation which is compatible with f is equal to 0. So this is h2 of x, y, z, ux, uy, and uz is equal to uy minus b is equal to 0. Give this is a
Sir,
equation number 3.
sir, H2, H,
B पण
X, Y, Z, UX, UY, UZ, B पाहिजे ना परत तिथं UZ नंतर
कुठे p? uz
B B
नंतर p.
पाहिजे B B
b. Sorry.
हा.
Okay. Sorry. So this is uz into and b is equal to uy minus b. So this is the second partial differential equation which is compatible with f is equal to 0. Okay, now solve the equation 1, 2, and 3 for ux, uy, and uz. We get ux is equal to a, uy is equal to b. Now I have to find the value of uz. Okay, for this one, I am solving the equation 1, 2, 3 for uz. Okay, which one? This is the uz. This is the equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. Okay, now solving equation 1, 2, and 3 for values of ux, uy, and uz. Okay, so we have put ux is equal to a and uy is equal to b in equation number 1. So we get here z plus 2uz minus, look at here, ux is equal to a and uy is equal to b. So here we get a plus b bracket square. Okay, so here we get a plus b bracket square, okay, which is equal to 0. Okay, any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Okay, any doubt? So this is the value of uz. Okay, now finally, this is the value of uz. This is uy, and this one is ux. Hence, finally, putting values of ux, uy, and uz in du is equal to ux dx plus uy dy plus uz into dz. Okay, so here we get du is equal to, what is the ux? A dx plus uy b dy plus uz is a plus b bracket square minus z upon 2 into dz. Okay, now integrate this equation. Now tell me the integration of this one. Integrating, we get hmm, what is the integration of this one? What is the integration of this one?
U
U
is
is
equal
equal
to
to
ax plus
hmm,
by,
hmm,
ax plus by plus a plus b square z upon 2, a plus b square z upon 2 minus
hmm.
z square upon 4
Very good. Z square upon 4 plus c, integration
plus,
constant. Okay, so here
yes,
the three are three independent variables x, y, z, and we get three constant a, b, and c. Okay, so hence this is the complete integral of given partial differential equation. This is the required complete integral of PDE. Okay, any doubt? Okay, now second one, x into ux plus y into uy is equal to uz square. Okay, now given differential equation is f of x, y, z, ux, uy, and uz, which is equal to x into ux plus y into uy minus uz square, which is equal to 0. Give this is the equation number 1. Okay, now auxiliary equation are equations are एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करूनच तुम्हाला लक्षात येईल बरं का. हे पाठ करायचं म्हटलं की होत नाहीये. जेवढे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करताल तेव्हा तुम्हाला लक्षात राहील. dx अपॉन fux is equal to dy upon fuy is equal to dz upon fuz, which is equal to minus dux upon fx is equal to minus duy upon fy which is equal to minus duz upon fz. Okay, now tell me dx upon differentiate with respect to ux now. Differentiate this one with respect to x. So what we get? Dx upon
X.
x,
X.
which is equal to dy upon
Y.
y, which is equal to dz upon
Minus 2uz.
minus
Minus 2
2
uz.
uz dz, huh? So minus dux upon fx is what? Differentiate with respect to x.
Ux. Minus
Ux
dux upon ux.
minus duy upon what is fy?
Uy.
Uy, which is equal to minus duz upon
0.
0. Okay, now consider the last ratio. Okay, it implies minus duz upon 0, which implies duz is equal to 0. हे कसं येते कळतं ना? त्याची व्हॅल्यू काहीतरी टी असते, समजा काहीतरी फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स वाय झेड असेल. ओके, टी इज द फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स वाय झेड असेल. सो काय येईल? मायनस टी मायनस डी ऑफ मायनस डी सॉरी मायनस डी ऑफ यूझेड इज अपॉन 0 इज इक्वल टू काय येईल? टी येईल. ओके, therefore d uz is equal to 0. ओके, 0 तिकडे मल्टिप्लाय होत असतो कधी. ओके, हे असं म्हणचाल तुम्ही अपॉन 0 असेल तर हे असं कसं येईल मग? ओके, okay, so which implies integrating we get so uz is equal to a. Okay, thus we get the first partial differential equation h1. Thus the h1 of x y z ux uy uz and a, okay, which is equal to uz minus a is equal to 0. So this is the equation number 2. Now consider the fourth and fifth ratio, this one. Okay, so here we get fourth and fifth ratio. So here we get minus dux upon ux, which is equal to minus duy upon uy. So here we get plus sign, which implies integrating we get सांगा इंटिग्रेशन काय येईल? एखाद्याने आन्सर दिलं तरी खूप आहे, माझ्यासाठी सफिशियंट आहे. ओके, लॉग
Log ux.
x is equal to log
Log u.
uy plus log b. Okay, log b is
Log.
the constant, suppose. Okay, so which implies ux is equal to uy into b. Okay, hence this is the second partial differential equation. Okay, which is compatible with f. So this is s2 of x y z ux uy uz and b. इथे a लिहिले का? is equal to ux minus uy into b is equal to 0. So this is the equation number 3. Okay, now I have to find the value of ux, uy and uz. Okay, in terms of x, y, z. Okay, now solve from equation 1, 2 and 3. Okay, putting the value of ux in equation 1. Okay, and putting the value of uz in this equation number 1. Okay, so we get x into ux now. So x into what is the value of ux? Uy into b. Okay, so uy into b plus y uy as it is. ओके माइनस यूजेड ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे a, so this is a square, user square means, okay, which is equal to 0, which implies taking b common, ui common, so here xb or bx plus y into ui minus a square, or which is equal to a square, which implies ui is equal to a square upon bx plus y, and ux, what is the value of ux? B into ui, which is equal to b into what is ui? This one, a square upon bx plus y. Okay, any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Now the putting the value of ux, ui and uz, putting the values of ux, ui and uz in du is equal to ux dx plus uy dy plus uz dz. Okay, which implies du is equal to ux is a square b upon bx plus y, okay, into this dx plus what is ui? A square upon bx plus y into dy plus what is uz? uz की value किती आहे a into dz. Okay, which implies काय करावं लागेल इंटिग्रेशन काढण्यासाठी मला? चल कसं काढायचं इंटिग्रेशन? विचार करा काय येईल.
सर ए स्क्वेअर अपॉन bx प्लस y कॉमन काढ.
बघा बघा काय करायचं. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now integrate this one and tell me the answer. What is the answer?
U
U
is
is
equal
equal
to
to a square into,
yes, log bx plus y
very good, log bx plus y plus
plus
az
az plus
plus c.
c.
Okay, so this is the required complete integral of the given partial differential equation. Okay, any doubt up to here? काही डाऊट असतील तर विचारू शकता. काही डाऊट्स आहेत का? Okay, wait a minute. Okay, now third one. Z into uz into, आता तुम्ही सांगायचं हे मी सॉल्व्ह नाही करणार, तुम्ही सांगेल तरच मी पुढे जाणार. ux plus ui plus x plus y is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the given partial differential equation in which x, y, z are the independent variable and u is the dependent variable on x, y, z, and in which this partial differential equation does not contain the term u. Okay, now solve this equation by Jacobi's method. Now look at here. Consider the given partial differential equation. Okay, f of x, y, z, ux, uy, and uz, which is equal to z into uz into ux plus uy plus x plus y is equal to 0, and give this the equation number 1. Okay. Now the auxiliary equation of equation 1 is the auxiliary equations are. Hmm. Tell me, what is the auxiliary equation?
dx
चुकलं
upon
तर
f
चुकू द्या.
dx upon
Dx upon
f u x
fux.
is equal to dy
Hmm.
upon f u y.
Hmm.
D is equal to dz upon f u z.
Hmm. Wait.
dz upon f u
Z
z
upon fuz. हाँ.
minus dux upon fx
Hmm.
is equal to minus duy upon fy
Hmm.
is equal to minus duz upon fz.
Okay. Okay. Now tell me, what is dx upon fux? What is the value of fux?
Z into uz.
Z
Correct.
into uz. Correct. सांगा पण
dy
चुकलं तर मी सांगेन.
dy
हाँ, dy
upon
upon
z uz.
z uz. Very good. Dz upon
Z into in bracket ux plus y. Chup.
ux plus uy. Is it correct?
हाँ,
Yes,
z
correct.
into ux plus uy.
Z into x plus uy minus dux. Differentiate with respect to x now.
1
Y.
minus
Okay.
dux upon 1 is equal minus duy upon 1
Hmm.
is equal to minus duz upon fz म्हणजे uz into ux plus y in bracket ux
ux
plus y.
plus uy
uy.
ना.
हाँ uy.
ओके. आता कोणते रेशो कन्सिडर करणार?
थिंक आधी आपण फोर्थ आणि फिफ्थ रेशो कन्सिडर केलं मायनस dux इज इक्वल टू मायनस duy.
ते येईल अजून. फोर्थ अँड फिफ्थ नंतर एक इक्वेशन मिळेल मला, पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. थर्ड अँड सिक्स. ओके, थर्ड अँड सिक्स पण घेतल्या येईल ना. इथून हा ब्रॅकेट कॅन्सल होईल. हा युझेड आहे, इथे युझेड, इथे झेड आहे, इथे डीझेड. ओके, मग कन्सिडर
सर
हे पण येईल, फोर्थ आणि फिफ्थ पण येईल, 3 आणि 6 पण येईल. ओके, आधी हे घ्या, 3 आणि 6. कन्सिडर दी थर्ड अँड लास्ट रेशो. Now tell me, dz upon this one, z into ux plus uy is equal to minus duz upon uz into ux plus uy. Okay, now tell me the partial differential equation. Solve this one. This get cancelled. So here we get dz upon z, which is equal to minus duz upon uz. Now integrating, we get
log z is equal to minus log of uz.
log z is
Z
equal
is
to
equal to minus log
of
of uz plus log of a.
log of a log.
हाँ,
Okay,
z is
wait a
equal
minute. Z, wait. Z into uz is equal to a. Okay,
yes sir.
which implies uz is equal to a upon z. Okay, so this is the value of uz in terms of x, y, z, ux, uy, uz. Okay, so this is now consider also. It's काय येईल तुमचा? कुठला partial differential येईल? uz minus or z into uz minus a is equal to 0. Okay. Now also consider the fourth and fifth ratio. Okay, we have minus dux upon 1 is equal to minus duy upon 1, which implies dux is equal to duy. Okay, now integrating, we get integrating, we get which implies ux is equal to uy plus b, which implies ux minus uy is equal to b. ओके, और मायनस बी इज इक्वल टू 0. असंही हा तुमचा h1 झाला आणि हा तुमचा h2. ओके, नाउ पुटिंग the values of ux and uz in equation 1. Okay, in equation 1 we get, now put the values of ux and this uz in this equation, equation number 1. Okay, so here we get z into uz. It means what? A upon z. This is the value of uz into z. Okay, plus uy as it is. Now b plus uy. So ux is what? B plus uy plus x plus y is equal to 0. So this get cancelled, which implies a into 2uy plus b, okay, plus x plus y is equal to 0. So which implies पुढे काय येईल?
minus in bracket x plus y upon 2 uy is equal to minus in bracket x plus y upon a minus b by 2 येतो. uy equal to हाँ खाली सर minus x plus y upon 2a minus b by 2
b
b
by
upon 2 2
ओके, b अपॉन 2 ला समजा मी कॉन्स्टंट म्हटलं b म्हटलं b डॅश. ओके, चालेल ना? कॉन्स्टंट आहे तुमचा b अपॉन 2 लाच मी समजा b म्हटलं. नाउ टेल मी value of this one, uy is equal to minus x plus, sorry असं घ्या, minus x minus y minus 2. Wait a minute, हे चुकतंय काहीतरी. नंतर सॉरी टू येईल नाही ते. एकच मिनिट, काय यूआयचा आन्सर काय येईल सांगा मला डायरेक्ट. करेक्ट आहे, uy is equal to minus x plus y plus ab upon 2a. Okay, is it correct? करेक्ट आहे का uy? हॅलो,
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट आहे का uy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what is the value of ux? Ux is equal to, now look at here, कुठे गेला ux? ux is equal to uy plus b, hence uy plus b, which is equal to, this is the uy x plus y plus ab upon 2a plus b, okay, which is equal to minus x minus y minus ab plus 2ab upon 2a, okay, which is equal to minus x minus y plus ab upon 2a, which is equal to minus in the common x plus y minus ab upon 2a. So this is the value of qx. Okay, any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Now putting the values of ux, uy, uz in equation number, sorry, in equation du is equal to ux dx plus uy dy plus uz dz. Okay, now putting the values of ux, uy and uz in du is equal to ux dx plus uy dy plus uz dz. Okay, now tell me du is equal to, what is ux? This one, minus x plus y minus ab upon 2a into dx. Okay, okay, what is ui? Minus x plus y plus ab upon 2a. Okay, so instead of plus here we have minus x plus y plus ab upon 2a into dy. What is dz? a upon z into dz. काय करावं लागेल आता इंटिग्रेशन काढण्यासाठी? Multiply this equation by 2a. Okay, so here you get 2a into du, okay, minus x plus y minus ab into dx, okay, minus x plus y plus ab into dy plus 2a square by z into dz. Okay, now 2a du, which is equal to minus x into dx minus y into dx plus ab into dx. Okay, ab into dx. Now minus x into dy minus y into dy minus ab into, this is dy, okay, plus 2a square z upon dz. Is it correct? Wait a minute, there is a problem, is there? Is it correct? आएगा करेक्ट 2a into du is equal to काय करावं लागेल आता पुन्हा? हा तुमचा x dy पहा नीट काय करायचं, x dy आणि y dx एका ब्रॅकेट मध्ये घेतला तर काय होईल? मायनस साइन कॉमन येईल, x into dy plus y into dx. Okay, and this one minus dx as it is, minus x into dx. Okay, अब प्लस काय येईल तुमचा ab into dx as it is. आता हा काय येईल राहिला कुठला टर्म मायनस y into dy, त्याचं इंटिग्रेशन निघेल सरळ. ओके, मायनस हा टर्म ab into dy प्लस ह्याचाही इंटिग्रेशन निघेल, सो 2a square upon z into dz. ओके, एनी डाउट? समजलं कसं आहे ते? Okay, so this one 2a into du, this is the derivative of, कोणाचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहे?
X into Y.
x into y. Okay, so minus x dx as it is plus ab into dx minus y into dy minus a into b into dy plus 2 square upon z into dz. Okay, now integrating we get, दिसायला मोठं दिसतं पण एकदा सॉल्व्ह करत गेलं की येत जाईल ते. इंटिग्रेटिंग we get So this is 2au is equal to minus x into y. Okay, so this is x square upon 2 plus abx minus y square upon 2 plus हा काय येईल मायनस ना
Yes, sir. Minus.
y plus 2a square into log z. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
प्लस c कोण सांगायला पाहिजे प्लस c इंटिग्रेशन कॉन्स्टंट. Okay, so this is the required complete integral. Okay, simplify करा काय येईल plus 2au is equal to minus 1 upon 2 x square plus y square plus ab into x minus y minus xy plus 2a square into log z plus c. Okay, so this is the required complete integral of the given partial differential equation. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, होमवर्कला सॉल्व करा काही एक्झाम्पल्स. ओके, किती झाले एकूण आता 3 झाले ना झाले 3 झाले. ओके, थांबा एक्झाम्पल. याच्यानंतर एक शेवटची मेथड आहे जी नॉन पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल नॉन लिनियर पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन कशी सॉल्व करायची त्याची एक मेथड आहे. त्यानंतर हा युनिट नंबर 1 संपतोय. ओके, मंडेला हा युनिट आपला चॅप्टर संपतोय आणि ट्यूसडे पासून आपण काय करूया सेकंड चॅप्टरला सुरुवात करूया. ओके, वेट अ मिनिट.
Okay, sir.
Okay, solve this one. Fourth one, homework. Z square plus ZUZ minus UX back square minus UY square is equal to 0. Okay, याचा आन्सर येईल पहा. याचा आन्सर येईल U is equal to U is equal to AX plus BY plus log Z. चेक करून पहा. log Z into A square plus B square minus Z square upon C plus C. Z square upon 2, sorry. Z square upon 2 plus C. So this is the answer of this one. Okay, now the next example is fifth one. UX x square minus UY square minus alpha into UZ square is equal to 0. Okay, where alpha is fixed constant. So fixed constant. ओके, आता ह्याच्या आन्सर मध्ये ए पण येईल, बी पण येईल, सी पण येईल आणि अल्फा पण येईल. त्याच्या वेळेस म्हणणार का मग त्यावेळी मी 4 कॉन्स्टंट आहेत म्हणून? नाही. ओके, कॉन्स्टंट असणार शेवटच्या आन्सर मध्ये यू मध्ये. मग इथे तुमचा अल्फा फिक्स्ड कॉन्स्टंट याचा अर्थ काय तुमचा अल्फा एक तरी 1 असेल, 2 असेल, 3 असेल, काही असेल. ओके, इथे 1 घेतल्यानंतर एक आन्सर येईल, 2 घेतल्यानंतर एक आन्सर येईल. ओके, कळालं का? आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट नाही आहे तुमचा, फिक्स्ड कॉन्स्टंट आहे. कळतंय का आर्बिट्ररी आणि फिक्स्ड कॉन्स्टंट मधला फरक? सो याचा आन्सर येईल u इज इक्वल टू मायनस ए स्क्वेअर प्लस अल्फा बी स्क्वेअर अपॉन एक्स प्लस ए वाय प्लस बी झेड प्लस सी. ओके, so this is the equation 5. 6 number ux square plus uy square plus uz is equal to 1. Okay, याचा आन्सर येईल u is equal to ax plus by plus 1 minus a square minus b square into z plus c. Okay. Number 7. Show that a complete integral of f is the function of ux, uy, and uz, which is equal to 0, is, as a complete integral kind, is ax plus by plus cz plus d. Okay, where f of a, b, c is equal to 0. Hence, find the complete integral of ux plus uy plus uz minus ux into uy into uz is equal to 0. ओके, हे सॉल्व करण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. नसेल तसंच नसेल तर मी सॉल्व करेन. ओके, तर ux इज इक्वल टू a येतं, ux इज इक्वल टू b येतं आणि ux इज इक्वल टू c येतं. ओके, सॉल्व करा बाय ऑब्झर्वेशन. आणि काय करायचं शेवटी, ux इज इक्वल टू a, uy इज इक्वल टू b आणि uz इज इक्वल टू c. ह्या ux, uy, uz ची व्हॅल्यू कशात पुट करायच्या? Put the values of this one is du is equal to ux dx plus uy dy plus uz dz. मग तुम्हाला काय येईल? कम्प्लीट इंटिग्रल हे येईल ax plus by plus cz plus d. ओके, तिथे d काय येईल? कॉन्स्टंट येईल. ओके,
Okay.
इंटिग्रेटिंग केल्यानंतर. ओके, आणि फाइंड त्यानंतर पुन्हा फाइंड काय करायचं तुम्हाला? कम्प्लीट इंटिग्रल ऑफ दिस वन. म्हणजे एकाच एक्झाम्पल मध्ये दोन प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत तुमचे. वेट अ मिनिट. ओके, सफिशियंट दिस वन. ओके, एनी डाऊट? काही डाऊट असतील तर विचारू शकता. वेट अ मिनिट. ओके, काही डाऊट असतील तर विचारू शकता.